Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your TCL 30SE. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and try finding Call of Duty. So as you can see, Call of Duty is not available right here, and in order to fix that, let's go back, then press on our profile icon. Go for the settings, family, parental controls, and here you can disable parental controls, enter your PIN code, go back, try to find Call of Duty again, and it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.